Frank Sechide is a grasshopper roaster in Kampala, but he works seasonally, and that's only twice in a year, in April and November. The rest of the time, Frank roasts chicken and goat meat. Grasshoppers are a traditional treat in Uganda and a vital source of income for hundreds of traders. But this November, the hoppers arrived late.
The Nsenene are seasonal. They are not there all the time, and so people crave for them and are eager to eat them. So by the time it came, people really wanted them. Even foreigners are now curious about knowing what's so good about them.
Scientists say changes in weather patterns are disrupting the insect's breeding cycle. It's getting harder to predict exactly what time of the year the grasshoppers will emerge, making it difficult for trappers. But their late appearance this year has not dampened the hope of those running food stalls in Kampala, catching up for lost time as buyers keep streaming in. Grasshoppers are known to breed best during the rainy season, but this summer saw a long dry spell.
Our August was dry, our July was dry, and our June was dry. Okay? Our first swarming season of the insects is normally May, June, sometimes starting April to June. Okay? That means that group that swarm in April, June, they laid their eggs. The eggs remained dormant, okay, until September when the rains came, you see? So those eggs that hatched in September are the ones we are now eating in this swarming season, you see? So that means there was a delay in the hatching.
There is also concern about declining populations due to habitat loss. The insects lay their eggs in wetlands on elephant grass, which is often cut to be used in construction and for cattle feed.
These grasshoppers also lay their eggs in grass, not in sand, in grass. And so if there is an influence of how much grass or grasslands are there, how much is burned, how much is under vegetation, that could actually affect also, because the grass is where they lay their eggs, but also their major food.
Insect breeders at Makerere University are now exploring how to help grasshoppers reproduce in the lab to ensure a supply all year round. But until they make it work at an industrial scale, the livelihoods of roasters like Frank are at the mercy of a changing climate. Isabel Nakiria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.